You negative soul that's making me to be fearful. You negative soul that is stumbling me from achieving my success. I tell you today, you lie. I must achieve it.
You have money or not doesn't matter. I was born in poor family, doesn't matter, guys. I will survive in this city life, guys. I will survive. I will survive, guys. I will survive. I will survive, guys. I will survive in the coming time. In the coming time, I will succeed. In the coming time, I will the coming time.
How can you say, sir, you are waiting for my failure?
Because the way you have started, I was aware about you can't speak.
I can speak.
What you can speak?
I speak.
But now I am able to speak in front of so many people without any hesitation because of my resolution, because of my decision, because of my aim, because of my ambition, because of my goal.
Good morning, everybody. Wow. How are you? Excuse me, how are you? That's wonderful. I'm sorry to await you, everybody, because I was just thinking about this year, that what I have achieved. I made one kharra, guys. I mean, I made a long list, you know. I have done a lot of things. Did you make a list of yours? Excuse me? Hello. Your list is ready, full of girlfriends. कि आयो इसे चक्कर चला ये छोड़ दी, right? This kind of thing. Please have a seat, guys. All right. That's great. कितनी शिद्दत से मैंने कैफ को बनाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे जर्रे ने आप सबसे मिलाने की साजिश की है। वो कहते हैं किसी साल कुछ ठान लो तो हर एक साल बेमिसाल बन जाते हैं। तो आज इस साल हम एक चीज ठानेंगे ताकि हर एक साल बेमिसाल बन जाए। Dear people of Will Talk Institute, today we are going to take a resolution. Today we are going to talk about the thing that we are about to do this coming year. Do you know the meaning of a resolution, guys? Resolution means the self-promise, right? This year is just a number. It is just a date. But this year reminds our evaluation, our evolution, our revolution, our abolition, that whatever we have done so far. So, I really do not feel like celebrating this new year. Even today is not new year. I mean, after a few days, we will get to see the new year as well. We will not celebrate, but this is the big alarm for us. This is the big, kind of timer for us to alert you, hey dear you, where are you? So, this timer is coming, and today we will take oath that what we are supposed to do, or what we are about to do, guys. Let me tell you the reality of my resolution, guys. Only one thing I will tell you. There are so many things that I have achieved, whatever I took the resolution for. Last year in that hall, I really took the resolution that I will have to take one more hall, the bigger hall. And this ending of this month, I took this hall. So I really did it. I did it, whatever I took. And maybe in of this session, I will promise with all of you. I will just take an oath. I will take a resolution for one thing more, what I have decided today to tell you. And whatever, and it's really a big deal for me. But I'm going to tell you after some time, and this coming year of this 2025, I'm going to achieve it, and you will be looking that. So today, whatever, and do not have any false kind of resolution. Keep, I will do this, I will do that, I will do this. Tell in front of the people today, dear people, I'm just gonna achieve it. I'm gonna do it anyhow, come what may, I'm gonna achieve it. If you say it from this stage, maybe you will have the determination with your self-esteem to achieve what you have said, guys. All right? So, have you decided for your resolution, guys? Yes, sir. That's great. Hello, Judith, how is your health? Is getting better? All right, don't worry. You will get better because we all prayed for you. We went, somewhere and we were praying for you. Hey, Judith, get well soon. By the way, guys, there is one line, guys, that every year changes. right? Every year, 1 year changes. Every year, 1 year changes. But this year, we will change ourselves. Every year, 1 year changes. Every year, but this year, I will change myself. But this year, every year, but this year. खड़े हो जाओ पहले आप लोग. Stand up please. खुद के लिए मैनिफेस्टेशन लेकर आओ, फील कराओ, हाँ यार सच में करूंगा, सच में कुछ करूंगा. All right. Do like this. Do like this. Come on. जो मैं बोलूंगा, whatever I'll say, you have to speak, okay? Okay, sir. Dear me. Today. I swear. I swear. I will change myself. I know. Every year. 1 year changes. But this year, I will change myself. I swear. I will do something special. I will make my parents feel proud. I will do something special. Dear me. I know some things are stopping you. But dear God, you are making me stronger. I swear, I will do it. Every year, 1 year changes. But this year, I will change myself. In well talk, I will develop my personality. I will develop my personality. I will do. Hey dear me. I swear. This year, I will change myself. Please have a seat. Ari kasam.
Guys, they can't do anything, they will shout only.
So they can do more than your team.
You know, I don't know why I 100% believe that my team will win today.
I have 100% believe that my team will win today.
You can see the excitement of my team.
Hey, my team, sit down here.
Hey, my team, sit down here.
Anjali wants to come in my team. Oh! The point is that, see guys, excuse me everybody, the competition is something that I will not call you, they will call my team member. I don't know, and I will call. Is that okay? Moral down बनता है, provoking बनती है, भगा दो, come here. If someone is stucking, get out from here. No problem. But in starting, we have to listen. If he is like making us bored, then we have to say, please, we don't want to listen to you. All right, guys.
Don't get fear at all.
Okay, Sangeeta, ma'am. So, should I call first or you should call first?
I think I should call. I should check.
No, we have toss actually. Right? Come on. Middle finger.
This one.
We are winners. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce.
Okay. So I am very sad today.
Why?
So I have made so many mistakes in 2024.
Oh my God.
But now I am very happy. Why? Because if I have made mistake in 2024, I will not make these mistakes in 2025. I have learned to my mistakes. I will never make that mistakes repeated. I will never repeat that mistake. So when I do mistake, I will that mistake. I will. Yes. Every year I will make mistake because mistake is a part of growing. You are not with mistake. You are not growing, sir. Mistakes is a part of growing. When we are growing, we are making mistake. If I do not do anything, how can I make mistake? If I just standing here, I don't speak anything, how can I do mistake? I do mistake because I'm telling anything. I'm supposed to do anything.
Yes.
And what you are thinking is being at your comfort zone. You are going to do anything? No. Your aim is want your uncomfortableness. You aim want that you be uncomfortable because when I am there, before 3 months, I cannot speak a single word. Sir, make me speak that much. Why? Because I challenge my uncomfortableness to my comfortable. And you know, once Bruce Lee said, I don't fear the person who knows the thousand kind of skill. I fear from the person who knows the one skill and practice 1,000 times. So, and the next year I want to do just focus on just one thing, and I will do fantastic and fabulous in that thing. Thank you.
Wow! Master, tell who spoke well.
No. She has spoken, but now you can challenge another speaker.
Exactly. No, I can challenge anybody. Nobody can speak actually, right?
Everybody can speak, sir.
Really? Okay. There is one person, guys. He is doing chubuk. Let me invite Mr. Azam. Let me see. Azam. Yeah, he went jumping chapak only. Let me see.
Yes. See, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Mohammad Azam Mirza. Today, I would like to say thanks to respectfully Master and Sangeeta man who chosen me in his team. Today, the topic is very amazing. Let me speak. Today, the topic is a very we got now listen the power of master students. Today I got amazing topic, and that is not topic, that is our emotion. That is not topic, that is related to our life. We know very well about this topic, but why people say in next year I will do this, in next year I will do that. I want to be that. We have been saying these stupid words for last few years, but we couldn't change our life. We need to learn from nature. We need to learn from time. They have a powerful. What nature can teach us. Think about what nature can teach us. After 365 days, a 1 year change. After 30 days, a month change. According to weather, the season change. But why we are saying? Why we are not able to change our life? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the right time to build ourselves. If we will build ourselves, so our country will change. If we will change ourselves, so our parents can fulfill their desire. It's a depend on us. If we will improve our skill here, so well talk will improve. Well talk will improve. Okay. We have to do something. We have to do unique thing. Why we depends? Why we only depends on someone? We don't need to. We try to understand. We try to understand everything. Don't say this. I will wake up 5 a.m. Daily I will study. Daily I will do this word. No, we can't do, because we are saying. We say daily, but what we got? Nothing. We are spending our time on mobile. We are spending our time with friend circle. We are spending our time in market. But what we got? Nothing, guys, nothing. Now you can see the power of master student. Everyone are silent. Who were poking, now they are silent. They don't have a words to say something. Now you can see my team, how they are. They have a next level enthusiastic. They are dying to speech. They are crazy about to come here. But this team, they are silent. This team, they are mock. This team only can poke. But now, oh guys, this is a, okay. What I said, we will show our power. Okay, now, am I wrapping my here speech? Because there are so many students who are crazy about to come here stay. Who will silence you all, guys? You can't speak before the master students. Oh, guys. In last time, I would say only one thing. That is, don't say, I have to do this. If you want to build yourself, if you want to change yourself, so change only one thing, and that is your negative thought. That is your negative work. If you can control on this word, you will become the great students of year. Yes. History will remember you, not people will remember. If you will do this. Okay guys, now I'm here wrapping. You all are a great audience of Master Team.
Guys, do you think that he was on the topic?
No.
Master, silent. He has blamed Valli.
Yes,
See, this public speak is not about blaming each other. This is the beauty. This is the beauty. No problem. You want to challenge my team actually?
Yes,
Sangeeta ma'am, please call a person from my team.
Yes, I will call to Uma.
Uma, please go straight.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Uma, and today I'll tell you what is the power of girl. And do you know, guys? I'm from rural area, but I'm a powerful girl. What are you thinking? You're waiting for my failure? Do you know, guys? I'm a powerful girl. I can do anything. I'm a taekwondo player. I can do anything. And do you know, I'm a positive thinker. And do you know, I'm a already positive thinker and self-motivated. But do you know why we are conducting this? Because I'm very excited to tell about. I'm very excited I'm just preparing to how to earn money for my family, how to make and how to do promise. But do you know, I already did promise to myself. I don't need this regulation because I have done already. I'm successful already because I'm speaking here with modulation, with body language. You can see. Why are you thinking I can't speak? I can speak. I can do anything, each and everything. So guys, I want to give chance for those students who are waiting here. So that's all about.
Let me invite a person who is sitting backside. He is Mr. Naeem.
मिटा दो अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो, मिटा दो अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आदाब, good morning, my respected teachers, beloved brothers and dear sister. After a long time, this is your lovely brother Muhammad Naeem it's none too very well that I'm standing here to talk about the resolution of this coming year. Today, we are all regretting that we have wasted our time and we couldn't do and we couldn't get whatever we wanted. Tell me, guys, why? Let me tell you, because of this, we are not doing well. I mean to say, we were not giving our 100% in our work. We are not utilizing our time. We are not analyzing our time. The time is money, we know very well. If you are wasting our time, it means we are wasting our whatever that's belonging to us. Dear brother and sister, you should think for a while. You should think for a moment that what is the difference between what do we want to become and what is the difference between where are we. It's a luck, it's a destiny, no. It's a decision, whatever we make. It's a action, whatever we take every single day. At the last, the conclusion is that if you want to become something, if you want to do something special in your life, if you want to get something, if you want to achieve something in your life, then hit the goal, burn yourself, be productive, and push yourself together. Inshallah, one day you will become what you want to become. Inshallah, one day you will become what you want to become. Inshallah, one day you will achieve what you want to achieve. Inshallah, one day you want to do what you want to do. Yes. That's all about me. Thank you and love you guys. You have been a great audience of the day.
Challenge anybody. Challenge. Yes,
now I would like to challenge a person. I hope he and she is not going to speak from here.
Excuse me?
Exactly, yes.
Nah.
I would like to invite and I would like to challenge actually from your team without clapping. Miss Nath.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nas. I come from Thailand. My topic is resolution in this new coming year. I came to India because I don't know English. I can't speak English. Can't speak English. I learned English to India. Yes, and I promise to myself next. In this coming new year, I speak English very well.
This is the power of Nath. Yes.
And I want to start in university, master degree.
Wow, great.
I don't know, not sure in Thai, in India or India. And next year I would like celebrate my birthday in my family, with my family and my friends.
Right.
It's okay.
Very nice.
Thank you for listening me.
She and she never spoke. But for the first time, she never spoke. But for the first time, she spoke this much. It is our achievement, guys. This is the power. Exactly. And you know, when we were preparing, guys, only Kav was not making them prepare. Everybody was debated. The way Jutit was preparing, even Lakshmi was making people prepare. This is the beauty of our team, actually, right? हम नहीं बोलें लेकिन बोलवा देंगे. ये power हमारे team के, right? Let master decide.
Now I would like to challenge. I hope he and she is going to speak a bit. But a bit, not completely. Exactly. Now I would like to challenge here Miss Aditi.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is
One water?
Sorry. distraction. If you have a distraction right now, then you have to destroy your distraction. You are using mobile phone daily and daily. Destroy your mobile phone. Don't use mobile phone if you have a distraction. I am here because to show you that no one can change your life, but your own decision can. And I would like to share a quotation by our honorable beloved Ratan Tata, late Ratan Tata. None can destroy an iron, but its own rust can. None can destroy an iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset and their decision can. I took the resolution in the 2024 starting January.
Yes.
Like I will take admission in Well Talk Institute. I am a student of Well Talk. I am a Well Talker, and people know my name without telling them even.
Yes.
We took a resolution in the upcoming year, but we can never follow that. Why? Because of so much distraction. If you have a habit of doing wrong thing, and if you are not able to destroy your distraction, then you can never do anything in your life. And I am unable to speak here without took the admission here. But now I am able to speak in front of so many people without any hesitation because of my resolution, because of my decision, because of my aim, because of my ambition, because of my goal. In future, you will definitely see me in the uniform of Indigo. I will give to challenge myself before your birthday, like my birthday coming in every year April. Before April, I am able to here standing in front of you with the uniform of Indigo, with the cake of Indigo. And sir, you will cut the cake definitely. This energy which is given by our honorable Mr. Cap sir, thank you so much sir for giving me this energy. Thank you so much sir. Thank you so much. You have been a great audience of the day.
Wait, very nice. Do like this. I promise you.
I promise you.
Before my birthday.
Before my birthday.
I will be a cabin crew.
I will be a cabin crew.
I promise you.
I promise you.
I promise myself.
I promise myself.
Dear parents.
Dear parents.
Dear my papa.
Dear my papa.
Dear my mother.
Dear my mother.
I will be an air hostess.
I will be an air hostess.
This is your Betty.
This is your Betty.
Promising you.
Promising you.
I will be.
I will be.
An air hostess.
An air hostess.
I will fly high.
I will fly high.
And say hi.
And say hi and
I
bye.
will never let you die.
I will never let you die.
Sit down.
Thank you so much.
Exactly. हर बेटी कर सकती है ऐसा. Come on. क्या जज्बात है माशाल्लाह. Come on. Yes, बेटी, can you do that? Yes. Excuse me, can I challenge?
Yes, you can challenge.
Yes.
Excuse. Sir, I can't speak, sir.
You can't speak?
Yes, sir. Because because I am getting fear, sir. Because I am getting fear, sir.
Why?
Because I don't know why I am getting
Relax.
fear.
Don't worry, brother. You can speak.
Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Are you waiting? And are you waiting for my failure? Huh? No. Now I am standing here before of you. I don't know what will I speak in next time.
Yes.
But I know that I can speak everything.
Yes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
You and right now we can say something about the resolution, and you can also can say and you can also can say something about resolution. And resolution is not as an art. We can take a resolution. We can make a resolution for becoming our future. And because if you are not able to do something, because first of all you have to do a resolution. Resolution is a most important in our life. You know that all. If you are getting a suffering something, if you are getting some suffering some problem, please make resolution. And that measure, and from that measure, and from that resolution, you can build your life. No can change your life. Only you can change your life. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I was enthusiastic to speak about that topic. When I get a chance, I will speak about that topic. So right now we get a chance. I am speaking here. Now, before some days ago, I am very nervous, but right now I am very enthusiastic. I am very to speak. Are you thinking? Oh my God! Are you thinking that Saddam can't speak anything? No. How can you say, sir? You are waiting for my failure.
Because the way you have started, I was aware about you can't speak.
I can speak.
What you can speak?
I speak.
What can you speak?
Because you did not listen.
You can't shout.
Because you did not listen properly, so that's why.
Shouting here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
But he just went there and challenged you. This is something you can't do that, okay? Yes.
So right now we can. So right now I think we should wrap up this session. What, sir?
No, you guys never understand. He's saying we should wrap up this session because you guys are not able to listen.
Yes.
Yes. You guys are not able to speak, and that is why. Yes. He's confused about it. Yes. Very
Thank you. Have a great audience.
I would like to challenge a person from this team. Of course, Mr. Pranshu, please come to the stage.
वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो तकदीर बदल दे। कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल खुद वक्त अपनी तस्वीर बदल ले। A very very warm greeting to everybody. A very very warm greeting to everybody. This is me Pranshu Yadav. Today I am standing in front of you all guys. Today I am here to talk about your dream. Today I am here to talk about your achievement. Today I am here to talk about your success. Today I am here to talk about your responsibilities. Today I will talk about how to be consistent. Today I will talk about how to remove procrastination. So ladies and gentlemen, the topic is nothing. The topic is how. What is topic, sir? How to. What is topic? There was no topic. Yes. For me, it's not topic. I can say the topic is self-resolution. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the very handsome person and very beautiful madam who is standing in front of me, who is Mr. Master, who is the manager of this Girl Talk, as well as I would like to thank Mr. Samapti ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, who has given me chance to speak here. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you all because you are appreciating me. I don't think that they are the position, they are the supporters. I love everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, so before starting my topic, let's get start my topic. So what?
Started so far?
Yes, I have started, but I was not going to the really actual topic. Firstly, we have to understand what is the term self-resolution. We don't think that self, we have to remove. Firstly, we have to understand resolution. Firstly, we have to break the word re, R-E. Re means again, solution. There is a solution means you can say improving your problems. It means assuring your problems. In other words, you can say that problems. You can say the process of removing your problems, the process of taking oath, that is the definition of self-resolution. So ladies and gentlemen, why the self-resolution is very important? Why? You think that. Because if you want to achieve your goal, you have to have your self-resolution. If you want to achieve your dream, you have to have a self-resolution. If you want to achieve your success, if you have to have resolution. If you want to achieve, if you have responsibilities, if you want to proud to your parents, you have to have self-resolution, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to speak here, you have to resolution. If you want to communicate with another person, you have to have resolution. If you want to talk with someone with a very interesting, you have to have resolution. If you want to revolution in all over the world, firstly you have to take resolution. So ladies and gentlemen, resolution is very important. So I would say how to take resolution. Firstly, you have to decide from your mind that what is your actual goal. Decide your goal. What do you want to become in your life? Without your goal, you can't take resolution. There is no meaning of resolution if you don't have any goal. Clear your goal and analyze your goal. If you want to crack SSGD, if you want to crack SSGMTS, if you want to crack SSCHSL, if you want to crack SSCGL, if you want to become a merchant navy, if you want to become an IS officer, if you want to become an IPS officer, if you want to become an IFS officer, if you want to crack NDA, if you want to crack CDS examination, if you want to become like this person, you have to become like all this person. You have to become like cameraman. You have to firstly decide your goal. Whatever you want to become in your life, you have to decide your goal. And second point is that analyze your goal, that what will be the next step of your goal. Suppose anything which you want to become, firstly you have to think that after 5 years, what I will be. Together with your hard work, you have to do smart work as well. As there is a line of Abraham Lincoln, give me 6 hours to chop this tree. Firstly, I will spend 4 hours to sharpen the axe. It means, ladies and gentlemen, I would say only one thing, that if you don't have goal, you can't achieve. You can't take resolution. You can't take resolution as well as evolution. So at the end, I would say, what is my resolution? What is my resolution? I have taken a kind of, I would not say that actual dream, but I would say, first thing, increase your knowledge. Without knowledge, you can't speak here. I am really saying I have analyzed and I have thought. Without knowledge, if you don't know about any topic, if you don't know, suppose their topic unemployment, suppose the topic is a social media, if you don't know what is about this topic, how are you able to speak, guys? Firstly, you have to know, you have to go into detail, you have to understand by term, so you will able to understand, and from your heart you will understand. Without, you can't be understand, ladies and gentlemen. I'm saying really, guys, success is not permanent and failure is not final. Do hard work, be consistent, one day you will achieve your goal.
Wow!
Disable talk. Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, so now I would like to challenge next performer here.
Excuse me, who's that?
I know he and she is going to speak, not better than Mr. Pranshu. Exactly, yes. So please put your hands together. Only this team, I think, will be clapping for Miss Judith.
Judith!
Namaste. Ladies and gentlemen, today I feel like I don't have energy, but I came. Today we are talking about resolution, but I feel like I'm energyless. But what I can tell you, I can never lack that energy. I'm someone who is impact, someone who is equipped. Anytime a war is there, I'm ready to grab it. And that is a resolution of today. We are talking about resolution. And let me tell you, my resolution today, I want to start saving. You see, this small money I have here in this pocket, when I save it, I'll be able to do whatever I want. I'll be able to handle any emergencies in my life. when I save that 5 rupee every day, consistently, I'll be able to handle any emergencies in India. First of all, I don't have a family here. So when I don't save, who will come and uplift me from that emergency? Who will come and help me? Probably no one. It's only my God and my saving. So ladies and gentlemen, my resolution today is to develop more on saving. And secondly, my resolution today, I want to be a successful woman, a powerful woman, a woman with confidence and courage, a woman with zeal, that when I stand, that when I speak, everyone listens to me. I want to be that woman with boldness, who will not fear to explain anything which is oppressing me as a woman, which is oppressing me as a lady. I want to be that successful person in public speaking, that confident woman in public speaking. And I promise you, we shall cut that cake from here in this podium. My resolution is, and that dream and that desire which is burning me day by day, that dream which is making me work hard, wake up day and night, practice. I want to become a member of parliament of Eastern Uganda. And trust me, I will welcome everyone from Westock Institute to celebrate their achievement. And I want to tell you, I'll work hard regardless of anything I face in life. I will work hard, and I promise myself that I will achieve it. Because, one, I have that confidence, you know. I will be able to walk and sit comfortably. You are my cabinet now. Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, this is me, Stella Judith, a cheer from Uganda. I am your new member of parliament. Wow! So that's how I'll boldly celebrate my success. That's how I'll boldly celebrate the achievement. I'm waiting for it. And I wish I have to be consistent. You know what? My resolution, when I'm consistent in it, probably I will achieve it with all my blood, with all my sweat, with all the determination and resilience inside me. I don't have to feed myself with negative thoughts. You know what? Someone can come and say, no, you cannot do it. But let me tell you, no, you lie. You lie. You negative thought inside myself. You negative thought that's making me to be fearful. You negative thought that is stumbling me from achieving my success. I tell you today, you lie. I must achieve it. I must achieve my success in 2025. 2025 is not a joking year for me. It's a year of a new version of Judith, a girl from Uganda. Oh! It's a new year for me to overcome my fears. My resolution is to overcome my fears. You know what? Fear, it's something holding most of us our back. Fear, it's like having a chest pain. You be like this, no. I don't know how I'll manage it today. I don't know if Mr. Kapsi calls me today. That Judith, let's welcome Judith from Uganda to give a presentation. Oh God, I don't know. Will I be able to make it? No. You lie. You lie. I told my fear today in 2025 that you lie. I must speak firm and boldly, with confidence, smiling to everyone, brightly, because I believe when I smile, I'll be energized, I'll be motivated. When I look and see you, I just see motivation. I just be motivated. Why? Because your bright smiles brighten me and make me feel confident day by day. You see these beautiful, handsome ladies and gentlemen? I want to tell you today, first of all, as we enter in a new year 2025, I want to give you one advice. And this advice, you will come and testify from here alongside Mr. Kapsi and the management of World Talk Institute. When you are able to throw away your fears and stand firm, boldly, like a lady or a gentleman, trust me, you will be able to succeed in life. You will be able to conquer everything. You will be able to achieve all the desires and efforts you have always worked for in life. You can be knowledgeable, yes? You can have that wisdom. But ladies and gentlemen, if you cannot stand here and express your inner feeling and express your inner self and express yourself like a lady or a man, you will never and never succeed in 2025. But on a second thought, practice it daily. Be consistent. Fear is just anything. It can happen to anyone, but you need to energize. Be energetic. We are welcoming a new year. Oh. You people, smile. Yes. We are welcoming a new year. You should welcome a new year without fear. Be bold. You see, like some of you, I would just say, God, I wish I should be like Mr. Caps. I wish I should speak boldly. But automatically, if I drive away that fear, I'll be like Mr. Caps. So ladies, that's my advice for you all. I wish you a prosperous 2025 and achieve all your resolutions. Thank you. Thank you. By this time, I want to send my sincere appreciation to Mr. Caps, the management of World Talk Institute. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to stand in front here and make everyone smile brightly. I know some of you came when you're not happy, but at least I'm able to put brighter smiles on your face. Yeah. Thank you so much. And thank you for welcoming me to India.
Anjali, please stay. भूख लगी कोई नहीं, बिरयानी मंगा देते हैं. Lakshmi, ready?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
How are you all? So, have you decided your resolution of the 2025? Yes. So, today I will share my resolution of 2025. As now I want to tell you something about myself. My name is Anjali and I am from Jaunpur. Today is the day where all the people are very motivated and they want to share their resolution of the upcoming years. So my resolution of 2025 is to develop my wisdom. As one day sir was talking about the wisdom in the class, I was not able to reply him what is actually his wisdom. I thought my wisdom is in my knees. So my first priority is in 2025 is I will build my wisdom, my intellectuality in 2025. And second thing, in this upcoming 1 month, in January, I will improve my English communication. As sir have taken so many communication class, I will implement all those things in my life and improve all those things in this 1 month of January. And second thing, So there is a dream of my father. He wants me he wants me to pursue my master from BHU. So in this upcoming year, I will go to BHU and pursue my master in BHU University, and I will make my father proud, and I will develop myself. I will do whatever I like in my life. I will explore all over the world in the future, and I will make everybody happy and proud. I will make sir proud in this upcoming year, and that's all for me. I will try my best in future.
Let us invite Mr. Rakesh.
Guys, I wanna say that something. Today is my last day.
No problem, go.
Really, today is my last day. Today really is my last day because I treat my every single day as a last day. I never believe that tomorrow comes any other day for me. No, today I am here. It is my everything for me. And I am going to use it because it is very precious for me. It will never come. And I will never trust about the past. And I will never trust about the future. I just believe in only present. I'm here, I'm speaking, that doesn't mean after some time I'm going to sit there, I would be alive or I will die. If you have this type of things, this type of determination in your mind, it means that it is unique something. Someone has said that your life can be a better life. Your life can be a better life if you are living life as a life. We have a lot of expectation for doing so many things. We have achieved so many things. We don't have persistence. We don't have determination. No, how can I do that thing? While making plan, just laying on bed, it is not solution. If you are just thinking about just laying on bed and you can make your goal, you can create your thing, all this thing, it can work. It will never work because decision can't be taken by laying on bed. It will have to just be calm and you will have to take decision just to be calmly. If you're thinking by laying on bed, no, not at all. Be specific in your life if you are going to do anything. Many of the people, they start doing so many things. This is my new year, I'm going to do. I will achieve so many things. But after in the end, what's happened? In the end, I haven't achieved. No problem, next year I will do again this thing. It would be continuously coming and going, but you will never achieve anything because you don't have persistence. You have just created one thing. No, oh my God, it was my dream. No problem, it can be postponed again. It can be postponed again. Why you are procrastinating, man? Whatever you have to just believe on today, na? Because today is last day. I told you that before coming here. First thing, very simple thing, I want to tell you only 3 things. First thing is that be specific. Whenever you go for making any goals, any target, anything, just open your mind. Whatever you are going to do, it is specific for you. You can do it or not. Just analyze about it. First thing. Second is that you also have to be analyzer. Whenever you go the last time at your bed for the sleeping, you have to just think about whatever you have done in your life. That today, it was sufficient, it was over, you are comfortable with that. If your answer is yes, congratulations, say, I'm happy. Otherwise, you should just focus on those things where you were lacking. Change it for tomorrow. And the last thing is that you have to just imagine. Whatever you have decided for doing, you should imagine. Like if you have decided you have to purchase one bag. Purchase the bag. If you go on the road, everything, it should be visible. I have decided to purchase bag. That bag I want to purchase. There is bag, there is bag, there is bag, there is bag. Everywhere is bag should be. This type of confidence should be in your mind. If you are following all this thing, means congratulations. Thank you for listening me. You have been a great audience of the day. one thing. Firstly, I would say to you, just get up. Today, we all have to take one promise. You have to say that.
Yes.
You have to repeat with me.
Yes.
My dear teacher, I will become something. I will become fluent speaker. By Well Talk Institute. My parent, I will make you proud. Because I'm about to come. After becoming something. Thank you so much.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Muhammad Arman Khan. Why am I standing here, guys? Let's capture magical moment. Let's capture magical moment. Why am I standing here? Because of learning speaking? No. I will speak. I will give a speech one day in the coming time. In the coming time, I will give a speech in front of Obama, guys. On the Obama, guys. On the Obama. He said, अब तो निकाला खुद के अंदर से, guys. अब तो निकाला खुद के अंदर से, घर में सामान की जरूरत है. अब तो निकाला खुद के अंदर से, घर में सामान की जरूरत है. Guys, why you are here? Because your mother, lots of expectation for you. Your mother bet for you कि one day my son, one day my daughter will be successful person. Because I listen. Yesterday, your mother, she said, my daughter and my son one day will become a successful person. And you will have to become a successful person, guys. You will have to become a successful person because your parents need to you. Hey guys, your parents need to you, guys. You need to you. कहते हैं, guys. He said, guys. What said? You don't know. What said? Huh? Why are you here? I will succeed in the coming time in 2025. I will succeed. Guys, why I am here? Not only English speaking. I am here because of I will give a speech in front of Obama, in front of Donald Trump, in front of Narendra Modi. Okay, guys, he said, I don't become as like Mr. Kapsa because I have a brand. You have a brand because your brand is the most thing in the world. Your brand, you have a brand, you can do anything. You have a brand, you can have everything. You have a money or not doesn't matter, bro. You have better money or not doesn't matter. You have a mind, you will do success, guys. You will do success. You have a mind or you have a mind. You have a money or not doesn't matter. I was born in poor family, doesn't matter, guys. I will survive in this city life, guys. I will survive, guys. I will survive, guys. I will survive in the coming time. In the coming time, I will succeed. In the coming time, in the coming time, guys. In the coming time, I will survive. In the coming time, guys. I will succeed. Thank you, my great audience. Thank you, my great audience of the day.
So, today the topic is resolution. So, why you need to make the resolution in 2025 and for 2025? You can make it today and this moment also. See, I am here standing in front of all of you and give a speech in the topic resolution. This is also the resolution. that I manifested for myself that I am able to speak in front of all of you in public speaking today. So this is also the resolution. इंसान सफल तब होता है जब वो दुनिया को छोड़कर अपने आप में बदलाव करे. So, resolution is very important for everyone in their life because resolution motivates people to go forward to achieve something that they want to achieve in their life. And you have to make resolution. Failure is a part of life. You don't have to stuck in that. If your life is moving forward, then why are you stuck in one thing? You have to get up and make a resolution and boost yourself that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Because when something is coming in your mind and your mind wants it, it means that God gives you a challenge to do that thing. Because God wants you to prove that everything is possible for you. And God says everything is possible for you. Now I want to wrap up my speech with a beautiful quote.
Let's welcome Mr. Anshu.
In the Indian poetry, there is one great poet. The name was that Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Okay. He is saying that कि खम ठोक ठेलता है जब नर, पर्वत के जाते पांव उखड़, और मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है. The resolution. The topic is that resolution. Firstly, good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. Because you know that जब जागो तभी सवेरा. So resolution, we are taking oath, we are taking everything. But by the resolution, we are going to revolution, and revolution will change your life. And when you are changing your life, people know, history know, your upcoming generation, you know that he is a great revolutionary of Indian history. The reason is that we take, and one big thing, no anyone can destroy your life. Only you can destroy your life by the social media, by upcoming your, you have getting lots of motivation, but you cannot to move and other good things. Just like as we are suffering from, it is a disease. We are, someone is scrolling reels, someone is different. We are underzone, we are taking oath. We are saying that we are suffering from this issue. We are suffering, why we cannot do anything? Yeah, so people is saying that we are very poor person. Who is poor? I'm not a poor. We have legs. When you are going in Indian history, there is name of one revolutionary. The name is that Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil. People is saying that's a single chechis admi. Means he has nothing. He is a very dubla patla person. He is telling that he is a tall. But after that, what is the great of revolution? He is saying that कि सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है और देखना है जोर कितना बाजुएं कातिल में है. What is the way he is beating? Revolution. This is the revolution. You are changing your moment. Last time. He is, you know, sir, that is, he is doing one Kakori Kand. Only his, you know, still money 8,000. But that time, the Britishers spent, you know, 18 lakh money for catching him. That is the power of, it is the real revolutionary, and it is the revolution which is changing. I am motivating of them. Maybe in future upcoming years, in my, it is my desire, maybe one upcoming, and I am not saying that 2025, maybe one Sena in Uttar Pradesh, there is the name of Krantikari Sena. It will fight in whole Uttar Pradesh, who is an industrial place. So I think that we have time, got a time. Okay, thank you, sir.
Very nice.